So I was part of Educators in Context and Community. It's a learning community for education majors here on campus, and we call it ECCO, ECCO. And so we meet every Tuesday, and we always start out meetings by our advisor for the organization, Dr. Roman. He'll go, "ECCO!" and we'll go, "ECCO!" So it's just like a really fun, energetic place to be. So when I was in ECCO, I did placement in charter schools in Toledo, and that was just a really cool experience because I grew up in a very suburban area, and so ECCO allowed me to go be in this very urban school system, which was a culture shock to me. ECCO also does this thing called the ECCO conference at the end of the year, and so all the members of ECCO will come up with a sort of concentration thing about education that they want to focus on. They can run a workshop, they can just do a presentation, and they just choose something that's happening in the education world right now, and they can talk about it and focus on it and teach us all about it.